In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Freshdesk, whether you're setting your default language or enabling multilingual support for your help portal. Let's get started by diving into the steps to modify the primary language of your Freshdesk account. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged in as an admin in your Freshdesk account, as only admins have the necessary permissions to make changes to the help desk settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Admin section by clicking on the Admin tab, which you'll find on the main dashboard. From here, locate the Account section, where you'll see a link to Help Desk settings. Go ahead and click on this link to proceed to the next page. On the Help Desk settings page, you'll notice an option labeled Primary Language. This is essentially a drop-down menu that allows you to select your desired default interface language from a list of supported languages. It's a straightforward process. Simply click on the menu to reveal the options and scroll through until you find the language you wish to set as the default. Once you've made your selection, the next step is critical. Click on Save to apply these changes. Bear in mind that this action will alter the default interface language for all users who don't have a specific language preference set. However, there's an important note to consider regarding multilingual support. If you decide to enable multilingual support for your help portal, it's crucial to understand that the primary or default language you initially choose cannot be changed directly through the admin interface afterward. At this point, any further alterations to the primary language would require intervention from Freshdesk's support team. Therefore, it's important to make your initial choice thoughtfully, taking into account the different needs and preferences of your user base. In conclusion, setting the primary language in your Freshdesk account is a quick and manageable task that ensures your help desk aligns with your team's or customer's language preferences. However, should the need for multilingual support arise, remember to plan carefully, as changing the primary language subsequently will require external support. If you have any further questions or challenges, don't hesitate to reach out for help to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been both helpful and informative for managing the language settings in Freshdesk.